couple of days ago we ran into this problem with a zipper on a brand new boat, an Aquador 23. We were going to take off this part of the boat cover or canopy when we noticed that we had managed to put the canopy zipper a bit misaligned when we zipped it up the last time. So however we tried, we couldn't get these two parts separated. So in the end we just decided to go over to the other side and just remove the stops here and just slide the whole assembly off. And for doing that, we have the perfect tool, of course, and that would be the skipper. And you can buy more of these stops if you manage to break them, of course. But that would take time and we didn't have that, so we just tried to be as careful as possible and then reuse them. So just remove this one. I've never done this before, but I've seen it on videos. I know you can actually buy these. So you saw, very easy job with this tool. This is actually the perfect tool for the job. So now when we've removed this one, just keep it safe in my pocket. And we should be able to zip tie it. There was another one actually on the other side, of course. So we do the same with this one. Just very carefully open it. So that we can, the idea is to close, put it back and close it again. So we're gonna put this zipper back, and working close to the sea, you always end up dropping stuff, but I just attached this to the mobile phone cord. So even if I drop it, it will not go to the bottom here. So both are back on, and we secured them both with cords, to be sure. We're thinking this is a brand new boat, and the zippers are brand new and everything's brand new, so it's a bit it's not worn in actually. So you have to be a bit careful when you pull on these ones the first couple of years, I guess. But now we fixed it actually. We're just gonna reattach the stops on the other side. So let's reattach this one first. I can actually see where it's been before, so there should be a hole there somewhere. So we don't want to use too much force on this since they're quite thin. I will just use, maybe this is the job for the corkscrew actually. Just pull the teeth a bit. I don't want to pull too much though. So this one is done. We didn't have a special tool for this, but the pliers on the skipper actually made a very good job out of it. So this one is done, and we took off the other one from on the other side as well. So to open this one up, because we realized that this got a bit bent when we removed them, we brought out another skipper. It's always good to have a couple of them. I'm just gonna open the teeth a bit, like so. It's done. I'm gonna put this one back here. Like so. It's back. This one became much better actually. This is like new. So the trick was to open it a bit before reattaching it. But this one you can buy off eBay or Amazon or anywhere. So this is the end result, and now it's time to go for a ride.